Hello everyone. Next, take a black sheet and arrange the earbuds like this on the double-sided tape. Make the roof of the house like this. Make its doors and windows. Now we will make a hot air balloon over it like this using the clay. Put some small balls like this and make some clouds near it, and it's ready. Next, take a green sheet and draw oval on it. Now make the eyes and nose and mouth of the sheep. Now you will apply the glue all over the green part as shown in the video. Don't forget to make the legs and ears of the sheep. Now apply the cotton over it like this. Paste it carefully and then after that cover it, and your sheep is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take a foam net like this. Now we will tie it from the sides. Now fix the paper sheets like this. Now take different color clays and make the fruits like this. Make some dots on it. So here we are making a fruit sticks like this. Put some orange color sheets to make the oranges. Use the clay to make these. Here we will also make kiwis and strawberries, and it's ready. Next, take a brown sheet and paste it over the white sheet like this. Now draw the checks line over it. Now take a clay and make its handle. Now paste some leaf cuttings over it like this. Now take a clay and spread it as shown in the video and then roll it. So here we are making small rose flowers and paste them one by one over the leaves like this, and your basket is ready. Next, take a dry stick and roll it using the clay. Now paste some clay around it like this using green color. Now make some leaves by putting some dots. Now make some grapes using purple color dots like this, and it's ready. Next, take some clay balls like this and then press it over the white sheet and put it like this. Now take a tissue paper and make some dots on it. Now on both the sides, paste it like this, and your candies are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a green color and then draw the lines on the white sheet. Now make these stems like this. Now put some yellow color clay balls to make the flowers on it. Draw it as have shown in the video. Make a rainbow and the clouds in the between. Make some leaves on the sides, and it's ready. Next, take a tissue paper or a brown color paper like this and paste it over the white sheet. Now make some clay balls using blue color clay and make the rolls out of it like this. Now make some design on it using the spatula and make the bouquet like this. Paste different color flowers and leaves, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, paste some red color cuttings like this on the white sheet and put the white and green color clay like this. Make some seeds, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.